would say that apprehensions were there, but because it was kind of homeschooling was altogether a new concept for everybody, I think. So apprehensions were there, and I also had some issues, like there was lack of motivation for the kids to every day get up and just sit in front of their laptop screens. Then uh, whether they are paying attention during the classes, that was again a concern. And distractions are always there when they're learning from the comfort of their homes. So this kind of apprehensions were there, but now I think with time, yes, you said it right, that 21K school, they've managed, they have kind of they've dealt with these apprehensions very well. And now I think with time the children have also adapted to this learning environment, and now I think everything is going very well. The learning environment here is very different from her previous school, because they are also providing online classes, but she doesn't look forward to attending those sessions, because it is, I think, more of a one-way communication only. There they kind of having a very strict environment. Only a teacher is speaking, and they don't let the children to unmute at times. Whenever, even if they have to say anything, they are not allowed to do that. But here participative kind of interactive environment is there, that I think it enhances learning. So that because my child Trishita, she is very, very outspoken, and I would say she's very expressive. She wants to always she wants to just communicate whatever she has in her mind, and I think that freedom she gets here. uh, so and I think they kind of having this concept based learning, they have a full-fledged discussion over the concept in the class. So I think it is kind of she's enjoying very much. Initially they had problems, like they're not getting to interact with their friends and their classmates, but now with time I think they have developed a bond with classmates also, and with teachers also. So they rather during their classes they encourage each other. I mean, I would tell you an live example of it. Once of her one of her classmates, Sakina, she was like having difficulty with understanding the concept and something like that. She started crying there and then. But then all of their classmates, they some of them noticed it, and they said that, ma'am, that particular girl is crying. So all of them, they all just tried to soothe her. And yeah, so it is there, they're getting to interact. And during their break time, they also make sure that they're interacting with each other very well. So I think this problem is not there now. This is one of the I would say this is one of the best part, that we are the learning environment is there, but then the diversity that 21K school brings along uh, is something I really admire about. And yes, they are the child, they are becoming aware of different cultures, different languages, different people, and they learning to respect that diversity. And yeah, I think they're becoming aware of different cultures. They're aware of different festivals that they celebrate, the languages I mentioned about. And that kind of give them a new I mean uh, a new perspective they get, that yes, even if we are all different, we are humans only. Every time she participates in something, and she comes, she's overjoyed, and she comes to me very happily, and she tells me that, mama, I did that, I did that. And yeah, one thing I would say that she enjoys her art class very much, and that freedom that her art ma'ams gives to the children, that of thinking and brainstorming, and giving their ideas a shape is very, very, I would say, a very good thing, and she enjoys it a lot. Because in her earlier school she was not getting to do that. Their art period there was, they were being given a picture only for coloring or something like that was there. But here I think it is a totally different environment that she's learning. And that is again, there I think, the frustration of not getting to do something is, I think, it's fulfilled over here. And they can, they feel very, I mean, like, the freedom of thought is there, and they can just give shape to their thoughts. Yeah, it's been a very good experience for us. Getting our child enrolled into this online learning environment, and I think they have also uh, come up and helped on each and every aspect and every concern that we had. And yes, I would say that the child, they have the comfort of their home, and all the other learning aspects are also being taken care of. I mean, they are not only focusing on the academics, but all of the, like, soft skills, aspects of soft skills are also being taken care of. Like, they kind of having this online discussions, group discussions are there. Then they have this quiz activity every other day. And they, so kind of, they getting, like, getting a hold of other soft skills also, like communication is being taken care of. Then there is leadership skill that they kind of developing. And problem solving skill is there, so teamwork they're also learning. So I think it's been a very good experience for us, and I would say that going forward, I would say to any other parent that this would be a great decision for your child.